Well, this is a result of my neighbor's house catching fire and, well, burning down. Let me try to zoom in for you here. Oh, well, it's that house straight across right over the firefighters on the orange stripes head. And, well, there's my town's fire truck. Yeah, an ambulance over there and a couple of more fire trucks. Luckily, my house right there, right by the house that caught fire, did not catch fire. Luckily, my house is safe and sound, with my little puppy safe and sound too. Well, that's all I got for today, folks. See ya whenever.